Sportliefhebbers, dit is Villa Tempo 2 en het zal er swingen.
Some people reckon that that terrorism is sort of a form of violent romance.
Why?
I don't know. It's just something some psychiatrists reckon that people go into terrorism for romantic reasons as well as political reasons. And I think I'm not a terrorist, but our band is probably the nearest to a musical version of that sort of feeling. We really tried to do a lot of new things tonight. A lot of new songs, a different style. But people aren't ready for it in a live situation. You have to have the record first or something. Yep. People just don't want to... They're standing there, you know, after 8 hours and they have to listen to a new song, you know, boring.
You gave, for instance, guitars a new use, the wrinkle, twinkle, howl sound.
The wrinkle, twinkle...
Howl sound.
Howl? H-O-W-L?
Yes, sound.
I haven't heard this one before.
I think it's my own invention.
I'll have to think on it. I mean, I wasn't aware of doing anything so different, you know. I guess it is, you know, still different, though.
It has nothing to do with personal taste or experimenting or...
Well, I guess it does, but I'm not aware of it because it's just what a person does. It's like a guy goes down to his restaurant and cooks this stuff up every day, and he's not, do you know what I mean? He gets it so he likes it, and he's not aware that that any other restaurant isn't serving that style, you know?
Yeah.
It's sort of a Chinese, Italian type food.
The title of this festival is Futurama, and lots of people come here to see the future of music.
Started now?
We have.
All right.
Thank you.
Sorry.
This festival is called Futurama. Lots of people come here to see the future of the world or music revealed for them. How do you feel as top of the bill of this festival?
Are we top of the bill?
Yes, you are.
Oh, well. I don't know that, actually.
Pretty good, actually.
See, well, there goes the lucky guy. See, well, there goes the neighborhood. See, well, there goes the bubble too. Afraid I don't wonder what happened to you.
I'm very interested in commercial success. It's very important to hit as many people as often as possible, as loudly as possible. So too many other things that make a lot of noise for us to be happy being quiet and cultish. Actually, at least one critic has called us doom glamour rock.
Great. Great.
So, you know, this is nice to hear that we're so pan-dimensional.
Pan-dimensional.
And you can say, well, say, well, and you can say, well, and you can pray, yeah. You can say, well, you can say, well.